Hello there, I'm Pittsburgh Pat, and I'm talking about these Acuvue Oasys multifocal 2-week contact lenses, and I'm trying for the second time. I tried them for the first time just a few days ago, gave my eyes a scan, and you can see there's not a lot of redness, a little bit, but my eyes aren't used to wearing contacts, so give you a little look there, but you know, they're completely invisible on the eye. I can see my eyes again. That's kind of cool. My wife likes it too. So yeah, testing the prescription. So this is a -9 mid here. This is a -8.5 high here. So what that means is +2.5 in the reading element here, and only +1.75 here. So what's been explained to me is that the dominant eye should be able to see at range better, not necessarily up close. And the non-dominant eye would be the eye that will see the reading element and not quite as good far away. And then at some point, like, I guess my brain will like figure that out. So actually right now it's pretty good. I can read, like, it's not perfectly clear like it is with my glasses, but I can read like the small letters here, like this daily wear. I can read like sample not for sale. Like these are pretty good. On the side of the box here, this really small script, it's a little fuzzy, but if I put it at the right range, I can sort of make it out, but it's really hard to read. So, you know, it's not perfect. And so what I was told by my optometrist is that it's not going to be perfect. That was not what I expected. So when I went in for my first follow-up, I tried 3 pairs of contacts, different kinds, brands. And I said, you know, I really can't read, and I don't really see too well far away. So we adjusted the brands, and we adjusted the comfort. You know, they were uncomfortable as well. So I got 3 different. And the comfort's much better. Like, I can say this Acuvue Oasys is very comfortable. I don't know if I'd be able to wear them for 16 hours like I used to wear contacts, but I guess I could work my way up to that. But they're not uncomfortable in the eye. I am aware that I'm wearing contacts though. They kind of float a little bit. I guess that changes as well, like as they adapt to the shape of the eye with the 2-week ones, which I guess the daily ones won't. So the daily ones kind of have to fit right from the very start. What else? Yeah, at distance, everything's pretty good. The mid-range is perfect, like absolutely perfect. The reading is like not great. It's not, I'm sorry, it's not perfect. It's good. It's great in the right eye. It's not as good in the left. But like I can work on my computer. I can play around on my phone. I can type. So that's the main thing, is can I use my phone? Because what I'd probably use this for is acting. I probably wouldn't go to the library and read a book with my contacts in. I'd probably wear glasses. So if I'm going to do anything heavy, if I'm going to be at my computer, I can always take them out and wear my glasses, that kind of thing. So yeah, tell me what your experience with multifocals is, if you have any, and thanks for watching the video. And tell me why you watched the video, and I'll make more videos if you want. But yeah, you wear these, take them out, clean them every day, but they last for about 2 weeks, and then you throw them away and go into the next pair. You know, so they give you a sample box of like 3. So these would last for 6 weeks theoretically. You know, 1 for each eye, obviously. And I think these end up being on contactlens.com or 1-800-CONTACTS. I think these are about $50 a box. Normally like $80 a box. So for 6, I think. So it's pretty good. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys on the next one. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care.